Did you enjoy that?
Not post that.
Okay. Post that. This is your shining moment.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, ready? Whenever you're ready, go ahead. Yes.
Weak.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are at another one of my friends' house. If you're just tuning into the series, I am surprising my friends at their house and I'm making them a smoothie bowl. It's been so fun so far. I'm at my friend Ashley's right now. I just pulled in. I'm about to go surprise her. I've got all my smoothie ingredients in the back. She doesn't know I'm coming and I'm so excited. All right, let's call her and see if she's home.
Hello?
Hey Ashley, are you home right now?
I am home.
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, I'm here at your apartment right now. I'm here to make you a smoothie bowl.
Oh, stop.
Is that okay? Can we do that?
This is such a gift.
Okay, come down and get me because
Wow.
I'm out here with all my blender and my smoothie ingredients.
Wow, okay, I'm coming down right now. This is so sweet of you.
I'm so excited. I'll see you soon.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll see you soon. Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, I'll see you soon.
Okay, love you, bye. Yes, she's home. Oh my gosh, the queen has arrived. You look cute. You look so cute.
I love you.
Oh, puppy, hello. She has the macho. What is this? This is a Vitamix.
Is a Vitamix.
Oh, yes, this is why we're friends. Get you a best friend that has a Vitamix too. I knew.
No.
This is why we were meant to be
I love
together. Oh my gosh. Give me like a few fun fast facts, or what do you want the people to know about you?
Well, first off, I love that Nicole moved to Nashville. That's the first thing.
That's not a fun fact.
She is a gift in my life. And she's exactly how she is, like in videos, is exactly how she is in real life.
The whole point of this was to introduce
I know,
you.
but I still just want to say that. Okay, so that's the first thing, just for your viewers to know. I just moved to Nashville too. I'm a content creator and a writer. I am 23 years of age. And let's see, I don't know, what else, Nicole?
One thing you should know about Ashley, she really has such a powerful ministry with what she's doing. So if you're looking for like a devotional or a Bible study or a group of girls just to do life with and be encouraged by, check Ashley out. I'm gonna put her handle and her links in the description box below if you wanna be a part of that, because what she's doing is so awesome and I'm just so honored to be her friend. So Ashley's incredible. She's the Honey Scoop on Instagram, but again, I will link that down in the description box below because she's the best.
I love this girl.
We have had so much fun together, y'all. We should
I
have been documenting
every single day.
Truly, I've never had a friend that I've done that with, and I'm so glad it's her. So we need to vlog more of these
let's
things.
do it.
Do you guys think that would be fun? Like, you're already meeting all my friends on this series, so maybe we should like start doing
do
videos
look like
together.
sisters. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
We do.
It's smoothie bowl time.
Let's do it.
All right, that's got all my ingredients in my fancy pants cooler. So Ashley, as I was preparing my ingredients for you, you strike me as the type of person who would like a green bowl.
Ooh.
I don't know why,
Yeah,
but you're so like fun and fit and healthy, and I'm like, we're gonna do my, it has a fun name and I can't think of it. Okay, first things first, I'm the realest. The whole world, really. Hey. We're gonna start with our liquids because that's what hits the blenders first and it sucks everything else down. So we're just gonna do a splash of this. I gave you too much, so just do like a little dee.
Okay, you want me to do it?
Dude, girl, this is all you. You're making the smoothie bowl.
What? Okay, I've always
Here
wanted
she
to learn how to
comes.
do this. Okay, just a little.
Like a little splash.
Just a little
big
bit.
splash.
Huh.
That was amazing.
Okay, was that
The
just?
splash queen. Yes, that was perfect. Okay, next we're gonna do frozen bananas. This helps your smoothie bowl be extra creamy. Next is frozen mango. One of my favorite fruits to put into a smoothie bowl. Have you ever put mango in a smoothie?
You know, I haven't put in a smoothie bowl because I've actually never made a smoothie bowl.
Wait, this is your first
This is my
smoothie bowl.
first one ever.
What a day!
Yes.
We need to commemorate this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad to introduce the first ever smoothie bowl for Ashley Hetherington. Okay, now we're gonna do some frozen avocados. This is gonna get it also nice and creamy, add some healthy fats into our bowls.
Yes.
And then also frozen vegetables. Y'all know that's my trick. Frozen rice cauliflower, which I didn't bring today, I'm sorry. I ran out.
Yeah, I'm not that healthy.
But
I don't have that.
she's like, it's okay, we can skip that. But we do have veggies. We're putting spinach in. Is that okay?
Oh, yes.
Just really honestly for the color, just give that a little dump. It's truly just gonna be so that we don't get like a weird green color. We want like a nice bright green. So why I recommend before we get going, when you stick this in, as soon as we hit go, you're gonna be smashing it down.
Ooh,
and then
okay.
the side, the side, the side, the side, the side, down, down, down. Side, 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 down, down, down.
Yeah, I think okay, this is the smoothie function.
Hello.
Whoa.
it going again. We didn't do quite enough. And it's done! It's done! My favorite part of smoothie bowl making, phases 1, 2, and 3. The dump, the swirl, the spin. You get to use my very own Nomad bowl. Hand-painted waves on the side.
Straight in there.
Ooh! Dump! And give it a nice little swirl to squash it all out and make a pretty design.
Okay.
Oh yeah, do like a little ring, ring, ring. Have you seen any of my videos?
I have.
I'm kidding. You're killing it.
Thank you. I'm trying to nail it. I feel like I haven't
You
quite
nailed
yet.
it. The smoothie bowl is your canvas.
So I just go
Go
at
to
it.
town.
I go to town?
Go to town.
We're actually gonna do this first, ma'am.
Love it.
Wow.
That looks really good.
I love granola.
Nailed it.
Ooh, okay.
Yes, nailed it.
Okay, sprinkle up cacao nibs in the center, I'm almost thinking.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You can't have a green bowl without coconut. This honey has seen better days.
It might just take 10
we gonna
years
wait,
to get,
we gonna
to
wait
get
this
to the
thing.
bottom.
One eternity later.
Come on, honey.
Honey!
We believe in you.
3 days later.
We love
Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Okay, now the last thing we have to do is the all-important, famous spin. So let's clear our ingredients out. Hey, if you've never made a smoothie bowl and you're watching this video, this is a sign that today is your day. I want you to get in your kitchen right now. Yes. Weak. Weak. Use 2 hands.
Okay.
Hey!
Oh! The fiber and the additional fruit. That's a bowl right there. Oh my gosh, it's so creamy.
The avocado and the banana, right?
Wow.
Isn't it nice? Thanks for letting me crash your apartment and make smoothie bowls with you.
You can do that anytime.
Hey, if this video made you smile and you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already part of the family, hit that subscribe button because we want to know you. Guys, Ashley's amazing. I linked her stuff in the description box down below, so definitely give her a look. But I'm so thankful that you watched this week. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye!